welcome back to our channel VFX Beauty. I'm Mika and today Liz is gonna be doing this wonderful eye makeup look for you while reviewing the Milani Gilded Jade palette. This is a very affordable, cheap palette for a session, cheap and glam. And I don't know, let's see if it's worth it. We're gonna tell you all about it. Stay tuned. As a transitional color, I'm gonna use the lightest one. I'm gonna use it all over my lid so that I can blend the other colors. Let's see. I cannot say nothing right now about the lightest one because that's the light color. It doesn't show like the full tone. So the next color I'm gonna work, it will be this light green. Oh, it doesn't really fall out a lot. Like, yeah, no, I don't really see anything here. The color is it's good. It's pigmented. It's super good.
Yeah, it is pigmented.
So I got that blended all over the lid. So reaching the inner corner. I like it. Which one? I'm gonna use the darker green. When you put the brush here, it came out a lot, but yeah. Like, for any reason, when you put it here, it's cool.
Ooh.
It is good. I'm gonna apply it first, like that in, and then I'm gonna blend it with the other one. The look that I'm gonna do is more like casual, a little bit dramatic, green eye look. I also gonna put a little bit in the inner corner. It's a kind of smoky eye. It works super good for those who have like wide set eyes. If you have more space between your two eyes right here,
Me. Totally. Yeah, I'm like a shark.
if you have a short eye set, okay, alright.
Don't worry, guys. There's nothing wrong with having shark eyes. They are beautiful. I can certify that.
That's not good.
But yeah, adding like a dark color in the inner corner, like it helps to bring them closer.
Exactly. So in the mirror, I'm gonna use, I don't know, I'm thinking about a mix between these two colors. Like I don't want it to go, but I don't want it this green. So let's see what happens. So I'm gonna use another brush. For this, I think this will be good. I'm gonna apply this first. Oh, I like it, it's so cute.
What I'm noticing is that you're not having like any problem, like, you know, getting the color payoff. Like you don't have to apply like lots of layers.
Yeah, you can see I didn't use a primer. It have, yeah, stay pretty good. You not see really no mess. I did this, not the eyeshadow. So you don't see the mess right here is
Yeah, no fall out.
no fall out at all. Definitely
you can go and buy it. And then let me just put a little bit of this gold here. It's super gold. Also dabbing. So what you want is mix the two colors so you cannot see where the color finish and when the other one start. Alright, we're done. So to highlight the eyebrow bone, I'm gonna use this right here. You say this is for face also, so you can use it as you highlighter. I already have highlighter, but I'm gonna use this to illuminate my eyebrow bone. I take out a little bit of the faces. Okay, and then starting from the middle of my eyebrow to the end, so this is where you're gonna apply the highlight. I like it. I mean, I didn't have to use like twice to see the finish, so you can.
You even cleaned up the excess, and it's showing even in camera. That's nice.
That's super good. I like the gold finish that it has.
Sorry about that, guys. We have a visitor in the studio. Say hi to my daughter.
It's okay. And then it's just so we just have to clean the mess that we already. I mean, if you just put your makeup, your foundation, before applying your eyeshadow, yes, you have to clean this up. But if you just apply this first and then your foundation, it will be okay. Anyways, yeah, we'll have to clean up this one a little bit right here. At the bottom, I'm gonna use the same light green. I'm gonna make a mix between this one and this one to get like a variation of the green. And a little bit of the darkest one again, but just a little bit here in the corner.